The gruesome murder of a woman in retirement St. James has renewed concerns about treatment for persons with mental illnesses. The woman was beheaded, allegedly in her home on Monday, by the person she spent her entire life protecting, her son. The retirement community in Granville St. James has been left in disbelief by the gory crime scene in this house.
This scene it comes like I'm watching a horror movie. You know, the entire community is shocked.
In shock, as 53-year-old Michelle Gail Brown was allegedly murdered by her 29-year-old son. Her head reportedly severed from her body while she was asleep Monday afternoon. According to community members, Miss Gail Brown's son suffers from a mental illness and had been a concern to many.
But we didn't know he would have cut off him at that throat. We didn't know he would have reached this. So.
They realized something was wrong Monday afternoon when they tried calling her, but got no answer neither by phone nor from outside her house. The police were called and Miss Gail Brown's body found inside. The incident triggered renewed concerns about treating persons with mental illnesses as neighbors spread the tragic news.
And she called me and said to me, "Mommy, when last you talked to Michelle?" I say, "How?" But right away, I know say something wrong. So I say, "How?" He said she see it, say the boy kill him, cut off his head or something. She's a very nice lady. She's a Christian lady, you know. Yeah, man, dedicate himself to church and God, man.
I want to say to other parents, if you have a child that's mentally ill, make sure you report that person to the Ministry of Health. Some parents, when they have a child that is mentally ill, they try to keep it a secret because they feel like people are going to stone them. But it's best to seek help.
Miss Gail Brown's son has since been taken into custody.